Hi all. This is my sixth post analysis, and this one is pretty frustrating. I have to admit, I made a lot of mistakes, and somehow this old me came up again. And at the end of the session, when I finally gave up, I admit it was pretty painful for me because, yeah, some stupid mistakes just I kept on doing them after quite a while. I haven't done them. All right. So this is on the Monday's pair, GBP USD. Most of all, again, was covered in the New York conference room. Henning covered it. And as the way he looked at it, it was the situation which needed to resolve below this and then do the pullback and hit the cells. Pretty straightforward. This is the daily area. And my first mistake was the trade I took quite soon after conference room around here, when I thought, okay, it's going down, but the mistake is it's one leg, two legs, even third leg was strong, but fourth leg it's not good to go before it breaks down and give me the confirmation. All right, now it's easy to speak later, but I was just wanting to be faster and to catch more profits. Probably it's greed, or probably greed. Too greedy. Going into details of it, all right, at first it looked okay. 2 weeks, but soon after that, just wiped out. And again, same stupid, if some things go so hard up, it's not a chance that you can catch it or anything. And here is my second one. Again, ended with a loss. And then just like I haven't had enough, I expected some kind of reaction from daily here, resistance. Yes, the reaction came, but again, I was too soon. I just wanted to grab it. I thought, all right, here it is. Now let's go. Yeah, there was a reaction, but I had to be more patient and wait. Even though it's not a good trade to count on these reactions, but mostly they are quite expected to react to do something. Yeah, in my case, again, too soon. If I would just waited a little bit, half an hour on an hour, just to resolve, to see that, all right, it's volume around here at the top. Buyers try, didn't go. Again, holding here, and then this was a little bit confusing. Sellers tried, but buyers came up. But nevertheless, it's volume at the top, and this thing should go. And proper entry would be somewhere around here, and trying to write it down at least to this area would be sensible thing to do. Everything else, as we see now, it just came back, broke above the area, and maybe we'll have some kind of chance later, because it's pushing now to this strong area here, but it should give us some time, 2 or 3 days, to resolve the situation. All in all, I was feeling pretty miserable, and which is even worse, I made the same mistake the next day, almost the same mistake. Somehow I have to clear my mind and stop doing such stupid things and trying to force the market, because it's not a good solution. All right. And even though looking it from another perspective, yeah, strong move up, structured slow pullback. Even on the move up, there was pretty high volume. And here was this V formation. I entered short instead of logic things, just to think about it calmly and reset the mindset. It's not going down. It is a possibility to go up. And yeah, so that happened. Thank you very much. Bye.